我来了，正好请黄石在这儿，最专业的这个。好了，好，谢谢您。正好。
这往中间不上，就是挨着走。
Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, my name is Jim Mercopoulos. I'm with Cinespace Film Studios in Toronto.
And what brought you here today?
So I'm also co-chair of the China West Filmmakers Alliance, and in pursuit of our mandate to promote Chinese film and entertainment in Canada and to try to foster an environment of collaboration and co-production between China and Canada, we're here today to help promote The Monkey King 2 in 3D.
So have you watched this film before? Or?
I have never seen the film before. I'm very aware of the mythology and the history of Journey to the West, and that this is the latest chapter in 3D. So it's very exciting. Chinese cinema has come a long way, and I think it's nice to have a film that celebrates how far China has come in terms of the quality of the storytelling, the quality of the cinematography, the quality of the visual effects that we're going to be seeing today. So it's the perfect film to announce to the world that China's filmmaking abilities are at the very highest right now.
This is the first time the China Alliance brought a film come to premiere here in Canada.
Correct.
What does that mean?
That means that China is very excited about doing premieres in North America because the market is here. The market, as you know, is in Canada, is in Toronto and Vancouver, in the Toronto area. So we're excited that China Lion recognizes that, and as I said, as part of our mandate of the China West Filmmakers Alliance, it's really exciting to see a large company like China Lion take part in this endeavor.
And it's Chinese New Year soon.
Yes, Xing Yan Hao. I should say.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to ask you to say. Just to say, maybe you just say to this one and that one.
Okay, sure.
For this one first.
Xing Yan Hao. Xing Yan Hao. Xing Yan Hao.
Awesome. Great.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the time. All right.
好，以后就派你一个记者来。
就是我应该拿3个。Look here.
Here, please.